Hi and welcome to Food and Magic. This video is going to be very informative as you will see how to make a tall cake not only with bubblegum flavor but how to make bubblegum pink or fuchsia color icing. I will also bake half the cake in an oven and the other half without an oven and discuss the difference. This video will be very helpful for those who do not bake regularly as I have shown how to use a cake premix which is easily available in the market. This cake is so soft, moist and delicious that you'll surely love it. So let's get started with today's video. Today I will show you how to use a cake premix available at grocery stores. Many a times no instructions are written on it, so let's see how to make a cake with it. This is an eggless vanilla cake premix. In a large mixing bowl, take 2.5 cups of premix using a standard measuring cup. Here I've taken 300 ml of plain room temperature water. Add little water to the cake premix and mix well. We need a batter with ribbon-like consistency, so add little water at a time and mix it thoroughly so that there are no lumps left. So out of the 300 ml of water, I have used exactly 200 ml of water. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of odorless refined oil and again mix the batter well. The batter is ready for baking. Note the consistency should be free-flowing and it is not thick at all. As many of the viewers may not have an oven, so I have lined 2 6-inch tins with butter paper and grease them with oil. I will bake one cake in the oven and the one without an oven. If you want to bake a single cake, then take 8-inch cake tin and pour the batter in it. Spread evenly and tap to release the air to avoid holes in the cake. If you're using an oven, bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes with both heating rods on. On the other side, I have heated a large container with salt and placed a stand on it. Put the cake tin and bake on medium-high for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, do the toothpick test and if the skewer comes out clean, the cake is done. If you prick the cake too early, it will sink in the center. Here the cake is perfectly baked. Take it out from the container. Let's check the cake in the oven and this looks done too. This is the cake made without an oven and this one is baked in the oven, so it's completely okay if you do not have an oven. You can still make yummy cakes. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. I will first demold the one baked in an oven. And here you can see the cake has formed a crust only on the top. Inside it is white and soft. I will keep it upside down as the crust part is strong to take its weight. Let's see the other cake. The crust is formed on the sides and on the lower part of the cake. The top is white and soft. So you can bake cakes whichever way you want. Further in the video, when we cut the cake in layers, you will see the texture of both the cakes from within. While the cakes cool, let's see how to make bubblegum pink color icing. Take 5 to 6 drops of pink color, 1 drop of red and a tiny bit of blue. Mix well and add the whipped cream. Adjust by adding pink color to get an electric pink shade. Just give a minute for the color to develop. And here our fuchsia pink or bubblegum pink color icing is ready. Here I've taken 1.5 cups of whipped cream which I will make into bubblegum pink colored frosting. And here a lovely pink whipped cream frosting is ready. For the cake filling, take 1 cup of whipped cream. To it I will add 7 to 8 drops of bubblegum essence. Mix it well and believe me, you have to try this flavor once. It's heavenly tasty. Since the time I've made it, we are craving for it more and more. I will transfer little cream in another bowl and color it pink so that the layers between the cake will have shades of white and pink. You can alternate the layers in blue and pink too. Fill up the icing bag with this flavored pink whipped cream on the sides, making a well in the center. And fill the white flavored cream in the center, which will look very nice when the cake is sliced. In the next step, let's cut the cake in layers. Here I've taken the cake baked without an oven. I will cut it in 3 layers. You can choose to cut a single layer only. Can you see how soft and spongy the cake looks? If you're not confident cutting layers with the knife, you can see the pinata cake video where I have showed an easy technique to cut the cake using a thread. I will leave a link to that video in the description box given below. Similarly, I will cut the other cake too in 3 layers. The more layers you cut, the more tall the cake will be. And nowadays, tall cakes are trending a lot. After this, let's decorate the cake. Apply whipped cream at the base so that the cake does not slide. I prefer to spray plain water so that the cake is not too sweet, and then apply the bubblegum flavored whipped cream all around the cake layer. Place the next layer and before spraying water, seal the side gaps with the frosting so that the cake does not break from the sides. For this, I am using an offset spatula. Now repeat the same process till all the cake layers are stacked on top of each other. And here I've placed all the cake layers and the cake is thinly coated with cream called a crumb coating to seal the cake crumbs. As this is a tall cake, insert a paper straw in the center so that the layers do not slide off, and all these small things are very important to secure the cake. Clean the sides of the cake board and refrigerate for 30 minutes before the final frosting. After cooling the cake, apply the final pink frosting beginning from the sides. The cream used at this stage should be very soft and not hard. Apply generous amounts of frosting as a lot of it will be scraped off while giving a smooth finish to the cake. Sorry, the color looks a little different as I shifted my place, but it's the same cake. Smoothen the sides using an acrylic sheet. Repeat these steps till required finishing is got, for which you need a little bit of practice. Using a metallic cake comb, give a texture on the sides. Scrap off the excess whipped cream from the top. I am showing a very simple design which anyone can make at home. You can choose to give a pattern on top of the cake too. This is a ready-made sugar lace. Peel off delicately from the butter paper. I am using 2 laces out of the 5 I got in one packet. Once the cake is cooled, just place the lace on the cake. So with this kind of decoration, you need not be worried about buying nozzles and making designs which needs a lot of practice. Sprinkle some edible pearls and the cake is done. You too can make cakes at home easily and make any occasion more special. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section given down below. Do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.